Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC in English, and today we're going to see the fundamental concepts about modern geometry. So let's get started. So for that guys, we need to define what is a point, what is a line, what is a plane, and what is space. So for that guys, we do not define all kind of things, because if we do that, we can have a cycle without end. So for example, if we define a point as intersection of two lines and a line as an intersection of two planes, but a plane we define it as a set of points that would be of two dimensions, large and width, we have that it is a cycle, because we have to define or have a convention of what is to be taken as a notion. So the Greeks define a line as the following. You have a rope. This is an elastic rope. So if I put here my name A and another person stretch out this elastic rope, this would be considered as a line, as a notion of a line. So with this, we can define a line as we can extend the person A and B in forever or on two directions. So this would be a line, and a notion of a line, would be a convention. So this would be a line, and an intersection of two lines would be a point. This is L1 and L2, so this would be the intersection of the line 1 and the intersection of line 2. Finally guys, a line, as we define that, would be a plane would be a surface, a flat surface, like a table pot. So this surface, as you see, it has a dip, but it has two dimensions. It has large and width. So here guys, this would be made up as an infinite lines on this plane. And finally guys, what is space? Well, space has three dimensions, that it is length, width, and also depth, or there are three dimensions, but it is made up of planes, and infinite planes that we can have here on the space. So it's like you put it together, different infinite planes, and this would be space. So also guys, we need to define different kind of things, like what is a segment, or what is the midpoint or array. So for that guys, we have that a segment would be these points, the beginning A and the end point, and this would be the segment. As we have that the line is infinitely goes forever, we need to work on a finite part. So this is a finite part of a line. If we would extend it, would be as this line. But the segment that we're working here is the segment AB, and it is the segment AB. And the midpoint of a segment would be the point of this segment between A and B, such that the segment AM equals the segment AB as a distance. So this distance equals this. And finally, guys, we need to define what is a ray. A ray, guys, would be that we have a beginning point A and we have another point B on a line AB, an array, guys, with the beginning of A and direction of B would be this notion. So we have that the ray AB on the beginning of A and the direction of B would be this following form. It is a part of a plane that it is a part of a line, as you can see, that goes forever but in one direction. In this case is in the direction of B. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel, MateABC English. So I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye!